What's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjed, and in this video we will create this beautiful simple car logo animation. So first I have this clip. Now I'm going to freeze this frame of the video. So I'm going to select this clip, go to the video, and in speed chain we can select this to freeze this frame of the video. Now we can right click and we can create a compound clip. And now let's go to the Fusion page. And now in Fusion page we can drag this masking node, and I'm going to mask out this logo. Now we are done. Now we have to connect this to the media in, and now here we have the mask. Now we can select this masking node. Let's click here, and now we can drag this to lower the border, and now we can also add a softness at the edges. Now let's lower the softness of the edges. Now go to the edit page, and now we have to add another video below this track. Now we don't need this audio, so we can unlink and we can select this, press backspace, it will delete this audio. Now the next step is we can go to the video transition, and if you scroll down, we have this rotation transition. So I'm going to drag this on top of this compound clip, and I'm going to increase the duration of this transition. So I think we are done. Now we can also select this compound clip. We can lower the duration of this compound clip. We can increase the video duration of transition, and now I'm going to select my transition. Now the next step is we can select this compound clip. We can go to the video, add a keyframe, and type 14, and now let's go at the end of this video. Now right here I'm going to change the zoom to 1. Now if you open this, we have these two keyframes. We can click here to open the graph. We can select these two keyframes, and now we can soften out the animation. Now we can also select this transition. We can add a motion blur, and I think we are done. Now the next step is go to the OpenFX and search for edge detect. We can drag this on top of this compound clip. We can go to the select this, go to the effects, change this to grayscale, and we can also check this edge mask overlay. Now go to the end frame of this logo. We can lower the brightness. We can add a keyframe. We can increase the brightness. We can lower the brightness, and now in the starting point we can increase the brightness. Now let's increase the brightness a bit right about here, and now we are done. Now we can drag this original clip next to this clip, and now if we preview this video, we have this result. So I think we have to trim this, increase duration, trim the video transition, trim the video, connect these two. So this is how we can create this beautiful simple logo animation in DaVinci Resolve.